It is food inflation that is worrying, and we shall take all possible steps to augment the supply side to meet the growing demand for food items. In the budget for 2012-13, the estimate of planned expenditure was too ambitious, and the estimate of non-planned expenditure was too conservative. Faced with a huge fiscal deficit, I had no choice but to rationalize expenditure. We took a dose of bitter medicine. It seems to be working. We also took some policy decisions that had been deferred for too long, corrected some prices, and undertook a review of certain tax policies. The 12th five-year plan began in 2012-13. Anticipating a global and domestic recovery, total expenditure had been fixed at 14,90,925 crore rupees. I have been able to set the BE of total expenditure at 16,65,297 crore,